Welcome to Selldone, your all-in-one business operation system with 700+ powerful features.
Whether you're building a marketplace like Amazon, a dropshipping store, or a service shop, we've got you covered with Selldone.
It's as easy as drag and drop to create sleek professional stores, no tech skills needed. Want a stunning modern marketplace? Check out this sleek black-themed store for home appliances and furniture.
Selldone's dynamic sections ensure that any update,
like price changes, are instantly reflected across your store, keeping your content fresh and relevant. Here's a vibrant Flipkart-style blue-themed marketplace that's designed to drive sales. With dynamic promotional sections that highlight discounts, featured products, and time-sensitive offers,
Selldone helps you create a sense of urgency and turn browsers into buyers in no time.
Building your store is a breeze. This is your shop page, automatically generated by Selldone as soon as you add your products. It's ready to use with a clean, professional layout to showcase your items, saving you valuable setup time.
Every product you add also gets its own page automatically. These pages come with built-in promotional tools like cross-selling and a stock progress bar.
And because Selldone is a PWA, progressive web app, your customers get lightning-fast navigation throughout your store. No lag, just smooth shopping. Want to create a custom landing page? With Selldone's Page Builder, it's super easy. Just drag and drop sections from our library of ready-to-use responsive designs. Need a little extra help? Use ChatGPT for custom HTML, and you can reuse your designs to streamline your workflow even more. Whether you're starting a dropshipping business, building a multi-vendor marketplace, or launching a service store, Selldone is your ultimate platform. Plus, we support print-on-demand platforms, like Printful and Printify, so you can easily sell custom products. And with our one-click migration tool, you can seamlessly move your products from Ecommerce, Shopify, or Xcart to Selldone. Easy. Running a physical store? Selldone has you covered there too. Manage all your orders from one platform, update inventory, and avoid stockouts. Need even more automation? Use our mobile app. With a built-in barcode scanner, no need for expensive hardware.
Managing a marketplace is simple with Selldone's Marketplace panel.
You can track vendors, request documents, and monitor order fulfillment and payouts. Plus, define custom pricing for different categories to ensure your marketplace fits your business perfectly. Vendors have it easy with their own white-labeled panel.
They can track orders, manage fulfillment, assign staff roles, and sell files or services.
Plus, with integrations like Shippo and ShipRocket, shipping becomes a breeze. Want to expand globally? With Selldone, you can sell in multiple currencies and languages, reaching customers around the world. We also support a wide range of local payment options like Paystack and Zendit, as well as global solutions like Stripe and PayPal, so you never miss a sale.
Selldone is more than just a platform. It's your business's best friend. Start building your dream store today and see how easy it is to run your business with Selldone.